Hi, it's Greg from Fluid. I'm here today to talk about risk management, the process of identifying and managing potential risks in order to minimize the negative impacts that they may have on projects. So I'm in a individual project workspace, the Power Grid Enhancement Initiative. I'm going to come down to our impacts, which is where we manage our risks, issues, and dependencies for the projects. Now I'm going to add a new dependency for this project. Let's say it's the capacity to accommodate a solar influx. I'm going to add a description of this, and we're going to set an impact score, due date. I'm going to make myself the owner of this dependency. Now this is dependent on another project, so let's add that in now. And then I'm going to create and close that. Now, what this is doing is it's sending a notification now to the PM of the solar power plant projects. We can see in our outgoing dependencies, we can now see that this capacity to accommodate the energy influx is now sent to the solar power plant projects. So therefore, both parties then acknowledge the risk and then agree to manage that risk together. So let's go into the solar power plant project. Now, if I come down to my actions and decisions, I can see that there is an impact dependency from the Power Grid Enhancement Initiative. So I'm going to accept that. We'll go through, I can see the details of it, be able to add any comments as well. We'll accept that. And then if I come down to my impacts, I can see we now have an incoming dependency from the Power Grid Enhancement Initiative. So if I open up my network map, I'm able to see that the power grid enhancement has an outgoing dependency on the solar power plant project. So both PMs are now acknowledging the risk and therefore agreeing to manage it together. Rather than having a risk registry within Excel, when something goes wrong, I have to tell that person manually. Whereas with Fluid, you now have the oversight and accountability for managing that risk there. Thank you for listening. If you're interested in learning more, please click the link in the description. Thank you.